If snapping isn't working properly in Autocad, and your cursor won't lock onto endpoints, midpoints, or centers, here's how to fix it step by step. First, make sure Object Snap, also called OSNAP, is turned on. Look at the status bar at the bottom of Autocad and find the Object Snap button. If it looks inactive or dim, click it once to enable it. When it's active, Autocad will begin recognizing snap points again. You can also enable it using the command line. Type OSNAP, press Enter, type ON, and press Enter again. This forces Object Snap to activate globally. Once OSNAP is enabled, move your cursor near a line or circle and check whether snap markers or tooltips appear. Next, you need to verify which snap modes are enabled. Right-click the OSNAP button and choose Settings. This opens the Object Snap Settings window. Inside the settings, enable the snapping modes you actually need. The most important ones are Endpoint for snapping to the ends of objects, Midpoint for snapping to the center of lines, Center for circles and arcs, and Intersection for crossing points. You don't need every option turned on. Too many active snap modes can make cursor behavior confusing. After enabling the correct modes, test your cursor again near geometry. You should now see markers like endpoint, midpoint, or center appear automatically. If snapping still feels broken, zoom in slightly and make sure your objects are not too far apart or on locked layers. Sometimes visual scale can affect how easy snap points are to detect. And that's it. Turn on OSNAP, enable the correct snap modes, and Autocad snapping should start working normally again for precise drafting and editing.